Welcome back, fellas, to this new PDF to Express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit in a specific PNG file for PZ. So the first thing to do, of course, is to focus into what are you wanting to be aiming for. So there are two main ways to edit in a specific PFD file is to focus, for example, into using online tools. This is perfect for simple edits like adding text to signature or highlighting something specific. Or the method number two is the professional way using some paid software. This is what you needed if you wanted to change existing text, replace images, or perform the more extensive complex edit. So the free method is, for example, this is the fastest method for quick edits and you don't have to install any software. The first thing to do is to have your PDF file already been downloaded. This is an actual PDF file that we currently have of 9 pages. So what I need to do is to focus for a free online PDF editor website, such as, for example, I Love PDF, or there's a small PDF, and there's so much more. So when you clicked into, let's say, for example, the PDF section that says all, what you can do is to do different elements. For example, you can change PDF for PowerPoint to Word. You can change PDF to PowerPoint, to edit the PDF, to Excel PDF, to PowerPoint to PDF, to undo so much more here. So what I want to be focusing on is into this purple one that says edit PDF. So it says PDF editor, and I'm going to select my PDF file, focus for my downloads, and I wanted to focus for a specific PDF that we currently, and here is my PDF file already been added. You can see that we have our 9 pages here. So what I wanted to do and focus, for example, is into the upper side that I wanted to add something else. For example, here I can add an image. Right, for example, here. The first thing I wanted to do is to add one image. I'm going to go for add image. Like this should be, let's say, like a reference of what I'm actually saying. So this page should be filled with this specific image. And there we go. So I'm going to just click outside my actual PDF element so I can focus into something different. For example, I'm going to go a little bit up and I'm going to do exactly this thing with the next images I wanted to add as an actual reference. Make it smaller. Once I have finished with this process, I'm going to now try to do something else, which is adding some text. Into adding some text, let's say, for example, let's say this would be image example number 1. Go out, select my text, and put it just right below my image. Now I wanted to change the size of this specific element. I'm going to zoom a little bit more, and I want to be adding this and align this into the center, just like this. Something else that we can do is to pan something else. So for example, I'm going to add a shape. Into my shape, I can add this line and add a new text. Let's say, for example, click here, change the size of my text. And lastly, something else that I can do is to choose the option that says edit. When you click into edit, what you wanted to do is to make sure that it assemble all the text so you can start to edit it. Let's say one word that has a misspelled, or there's a missing spot, or there's something that you need to change inside your PDF file. This is exactly what the edit element of the I Love PDF file can do. So a quick word caution: if your document is sensitive, I recommend avoiding the free online tools due to privacy concerns. Right? So you can see, I'm going to try to zoom a little bit down. And here into edit, you can see that we have now the text to be edited. So it says by selecting this option, let's say, for example, that I missed this spot. I wanted to bold this, and I wanted to bold this as well. And this is a misspelled element, so I just delete this one, and there we go. When I finish with that, I just click outside, and you can see how automatically all of these elements have now been correctly edited. I can scroll a little bit up and do exactly the same thing here. Let's say this is misspelled. It should be 0. And I select outside and check out how automatically has now been changed. Bolded, outside, and it looks exactly the same font. When you finish with this process, just go for edit the PDF. and download the PDF. If I click here and check out my new manual, it will be appearing now, my new manual with my new images already been added here. For example, here it is, and the misspelled elements, for example, array, the one that says help option, and it does look really well. And my process has now been successfully done. So this is how we can actually focus with editing an actual PDF already been added here into I Love PDF. Now, I wanted to tell you that the premium feature only works one time, one free time. So make sure that you have an actual premium feature if you want to be editing more than just one PDF file. With that being said, we have now reached the very end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools how you can get started with editing PDF files and much more. Thank you once again. See you next time.